I don't know if you've seen any headlines, Cakmak, suggesting they're off to a slow start here, but what are your expectations for Prime Day?
Yeah, I think the move to 4 days is a big deal. Upwards of 20 billion in revenue. I don't think that the street is fully accounting for that. Could add another point of growth in the second quarter or in the third quarter rather, pushing them into the double digit range. And we think that they'll continue to take share. Their logistical prowess, their efforts on the AI front will shine through, and we'll see data around that. So it's one of the few mega cap names we continue to like. We've been shifting the portfolio broadly from mega cap, larger cap names to smaller cap secular winners. And Amazon's one of the few that kind of we've let linger at an oversized weight.
Yeah, and why is that? I mean, you could say, well, there's so much more excitement around, those companies who are more squarely diving into the AI space, right? Like Meta, for instance. Amazon,
Yeah.
meanwhile, okay, it's got the retail business. Obviously AWS is a juggernaut, but why is this one so attractive for you?
Yeah, sure. It all comes down to expectations. Where are the street's expectations? Where are the buy side expectations? We just think that the bar is set lower, for Amazon and some of the other names like NVIDIA. I do like Meta. I think we added Apple back when it pulled back to 200. We think that the risk reward is getting a little bit better. But ultimately, we want to move into smaller cap names. We like the Circles of the world, the Reddits, the Palantirs, the Robinhoods. We think that's where the outsized gains are going to accrue from. So we've been just reallocating capital towards smaller cap names. And to echo a lot of Barry's points, we do think that, the growth expectations for the second half could be slightly challenged. So we have been raising our hedges into this strength.